to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a tutorial video of teaching you the chords and how to strum the song at my worst. So first things first, you'll need a guitar. Actually, hindi talaga need na electric guitar talaga yung gagamitin nyo ha. It's good na dapat acoustic talaga yung gagamitin natin since practice lang naman natin to. And ito lang yung ginamit ko ngayon kasi wala dito yung acoustic guitar ko, which is yun talaga yung dapat kong gamitin ngayon sa pagtuturo ko sa inyo. But still, ito na lang yung gamitin natin since same lang rin naman ito. So I guess let's start. So you can see wala ditong capo, but I will use a capo. I will put it to 3rd fret. Actually, it depends naman sa inyo kung saan niyo prefer maglagay ng capo. Kung saan yung babagay sa tono nyo. Like, kung may deep voice kayo, you don't need a capo naman. But for me, I'm gonna use it now. So, para mas mataas, para mas babagay sa boses ko kasi pagkita ko sa inyo, ikakantayin ko tong at my worst mamaya. Kantahin. So, let's start. So, first is I will teach you the chords of the songs. It has a basic chords lang. 4 lang yung meron ito, which is the C, A minor, D minor, and G. So, I'm gonna teach you how to do that. So, first is the C. So, ito yung C, A minor, then D minor, and G. So, C is in the 1st fret. Ito yung fret. 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, and so on. So, yung C, ganito. So, sa 1st fret, dito sa 2nd string, yung pinakamaliit, ayan dito. Dito na side. 2nd string sa 1st fret. Ayan, then 4th string sa 2nd fret, then 5th string sa 3rd fret. Ayan. Ayan yung tono niya. Next is the A minor. So, yung A minor, same lang din naman dito sa 2nd string pa rin sa 1st fret. Sa 4th string pa rin sa 2nd fret. Then, sa 3rd string sa 2nd fret pa rin. Sa baba lang ng dito nang sa 4th string. Sa 3rd string ng 2nd fret. Ito yan. Ito. Dito sa 4th string. Dito. Ayan. Then, next is the D minor. D minor is sa 1st fret, 1st string yung maliit. Ayan. Then, 2nd fret, 3rd string. Ito. Then, 3rd fret, 2nd string. Ayan, ito siya. Ayan. Then, lastly, the G. The chord G. Ito siya. 2nd fret, ika-2nd dito sa pinakamataas, ito 1, 2, ayan. Then, dito sa 3rd fret, sa 1st talaga ito. Ayan, then 3rd fret pa rin, sa pinakababa, yung dalawa, yung mas mababa, 1, 2, ganito. Ayan. Or pwede din yung isa na lang dito, yung sa pinakadulo. Dulo. Ayan. Yun lang yung chords niya. 4 lang talaga siya. Yung C, A minor, D minor, and G. Ayan. As what I said, very basic lang talaga ng chords nito because it has only 4 chords, no? Sa chorus and sa intro and so whatever. So I guess I'm gonna teach you how to strum naman. So let's go. So, the strumming dito is basic lang din naman, but lagyan natin ng parang beat na ganito. Ganyan. Kasi, actually, it was better if mag-plucking tayo, but since it's for beginner na tutorial, Next time I will teach you to do pluck, but this time I'm gonna teach you how to strum. Ito lang yung strum niya. Down, down, struck, down, down, struck, then change chords. Ganun lang siya. I'm gonna show you. Ganito. Down, down, struck, then change. Again, down, down, struck, ganun. So, let's see the first chords, no? First 4 chords. Ito, at saka ito. So, okay, this is the example, and let's do this with the strum. Okay. Ayan siya. So, narinig nyo na, and you know the strum already. Ito siya. Stop, then stop, down, then change. Change chords na agad. Bilisan mo lang kasi yung kanta na to parang it's like jolly siya pakinggan. So, ganito siya. Ganun siya. So, today I'm gonna play you the intro of this song. So, I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Oh, I'm not perfect, but I want to sing my verse. She's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I could do worse. Oh, ayan. As you can see, basic lang siya and mabilis lang siya talaga. Lang siya talagang matutunan. Let me show to you the song one last time. So, can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love, but don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my word. No, I'm not perfect, but I want you say my verse. Just it's only you, nobody you, I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst.